Good morning, everyone. So we are checking out the house at Oxford, and we are going to London again. Tok Mama, anything you want to say?
Syukur Alhamdulillah. This is the best holiday ever.
Oh. Noah, say bye bye the house.
My house.
Bye house. Say bye bye to the house. So we are now at Bicester Village. So let's see what can we buy here. Alright, so we're going to coach first. There's this playground at Bicester Village. I can see some kids playing, but it's after the rain, so it's literally wet. But the kids wanted to play. Yusuf, look at, it's wet, see? It's really wet. If you want to play the slide, it's wet. Yes. So we are not eating at the restaurant. Look at how we drink the tea. Like that. Ooh. Macam orang kaya
The slim tea.
Alright, okay. I think the food is ready. Nasi goreng, yeah. Okay, we can put here. Here. Alright, so our food is here. Datin Fairuz, what are you eating?
Makan udon dekat Bicester.
Udon.
Udon, mi.
Seafood udon.
Seafood udon. Sedap.
Tengok sikit.
Sedap, nice.
Oh.
Ada sotong, ada udang.
And Dr. Mazlan, what are you eating, Dr. Mazlan?
Goreng istimewa.
And we have prawn fried rice. And Yusuf, Yusuf, how's the food? Is it good? Good. Right, and Noah is waiting for Mommy to eat. How's the food, Sam?
Amazing. Chinese food. Halal.
Noah is eating also.
What is eating today?
Noah, come forward.
Sekejap air.
Noah.
Nak tengok sweater tak?
It's raining. Kat mana?
Ada amal tak ada?
Tak apa, tak nak. Save it for London. So it's raining out here. So how's the tangkapan?
Masih belum tangkap lagi. So kita nak tangkap kan selepas ni.
Ya, hujan pun redah.
Wey, semangat tu ada. Semangat Malaysia. Cik, tengok tengok lagu dia dengar.
Nampak lagu Malaysia nampak?
Adik.
Right.
Noah jom, walk. Noah walk. Just hold on. Ha? Yeah, so fine. I cari kat KL tak jumpa.
So she found her love again.
Finally. I suka yang old design.
You know the
Solution.
no, don't put any solution. It's, you know that sponge,
Okay.
damp or damp cloth. Just wash it off.
ucapan thank you so much sayang for belanja I punya birthday.
Habis kena puasa sebulan.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Boleh make sure dah. Jom.
Alright, let's go. Noah, are you sleepy? Noah, are you tired? So we are walking at Bicester, going back to our car and heading to Bayswater and stay at Grand Plaza for another 4 nights before we balik Malaysia. But somebody is really happy today because she has been aiming for the bag for how long now?
I think 1 year.
1 year, and only today she got
I like
to buy it.
I like the timeless one. It's not the latest, but it's timeless. So I prefer something.
Fulfilling orang kaya ni.
Adik lah.
Kena ada halal restoran ni, farm shop.
Nak air dulu tak?
Nak kopi wah? Kopi?
Long queue.
I cannot stop smiling.
Being loyal to Shell. Even though in UK, still pump at Shell. So yeah, hashtag Shell di hatiku. Alright, so we have arrived at Grand Plaza. So this is the Grand Plaza Hotel or service apartment. Datin Fairuz, give some comment.
Wow, best gila. Tak sangka dapat duduk sini. Rezeki, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, syukur.
Good eh? So, you arrived at the hotel. Where's Noah? So these are all our bags. We'll come and pick it up. Assalamualaikum and good morning everybody. We are having breakfast at Grand Plaza. See, Tok Mama is eating and tak tengok orang belakang dah lapar tu.
Nasi lemak is really nice.
Super duper nice.
And
Which one is?
the curry is good.
Tukar dia tarik. Oh.
Wow, nice.
See,
Nice.
Papa also eating. This is the view at the Grand Plaza breakfast area. So good morning. We are at Bayswater, London. Now we are going around the city. Now we have arrived at Bayswater Station to go to Trafalgar Square. Maybe in 12 minutes.
Line mana tu?
Yes, Circle Line.
Ya, ada 2 circle line.
Via Victoria.
Ya, dua-dua pun sama.
Yes lah, that one lah. Should be that one lah. So we are in the tube.
Only very tiny. You can hear the sound so loud, okay?
Tak mana?
Daddy, you need to fix something.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. Is this your first time?
Yeah. 5 more rides and then stop. Okay, I think we're
You hear the sound. You hear the sound. Oh, sound. It's not right. Westminster station. Westminster.
train and the platform. This station is Westminster.
Right, so we are heading to Westminster for River Cruise and London Eye. So how you are feeling?
Good.
Feeling good?
I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so wobbly.
Boleh. So we are now at Westminster already. So we are going for a river cruise. Bye train. So we bought the ticket online. So river cruise and London Eye. So we are carrying the stroller. So we are at the city of London. See, behind me is the Big Ben. It's the Big Ben. Right, so next to the London Eye, there is this halal restaurant. Yeah, I show you the logo. See, it's halal. Huh? And the cruise is next to the London Eye, and Yusuf. He's amazed by the river. Alright, so we are on the cruise. Hi Sof.
Hi.
Are you happy? Wah, Tok Mama and Tok Papa also happy. No, we have to sit down.
Sit down. Tak boleh move.
Mommy, helicopter. Up your head.
Yusuf is eating while we are on the cruise. Right, Yusuf? Are you hungry? We're going to the beach.
Then you open the open thing.
So, look at the washing AC big. Museum, I think it's a museum.
Really, I'm not kidding actually. Wow, why they call worship daddy?
This is a museum worship.
I think that one.
And then the one off the boat required 5 years good luck. In the old days when London was a major port, in the Victorian era, Tabbers was the last place you had. There we go. There you go, big proper baby there.
See you later.
And they almost just walked outside Westminster District. There's a large
Eating chocolate while it's very close. Kain to mama. Okay eh? So
Why this thing didn't move at all?
it will move in a while.
I'm scared.
Noah, where are you, Noah? Say, where are you?
Help! 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 Help!
Who are you asking for help?
Help! 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 Help!
Help. Thank you. Say something, Sam.
Now we are at London Eye. So the weather is good. Just now almost rain, but it stopped after that. So now it's bright and sunny. Good for a walk.
Hey, hey, we're asking for help.
No! Help! Help me! Help me! No! No! No!
Why?
No! Help! Help!
Going up.
Help!
Ada lagi kan koin? Sikit lagi kan?
Try
Yeah, we have to go up the stairs.
We're heading to Trafalgar Square. Yeah. So let's walk and walk and walk.
So we're at a bridge. Crossing the bridge by the River Thames.
La la la.
I'm just joking.
Hi, Daddy.
Sherlock Holmes. See? Right. This is Trafalgar Square. There's a rally over there. There's a rally over there. Freedom for Iran at Trafalgar Square. Stack's Diner. So we are at Stack's Diner, but it's full, so we are waiting. And there's full of people over here. Left, right, center, up, down. And we are all hungry. Stack's Diner. Chicken with waffle. Yep. Thank you. Shrimp? Yes, you can put here. Thank you so much. So we ordered the shrimp popcorn, the infamous chicken and waffle. Noah is excited already. Dulu saya takut panas. Alright, moment of truth.
Maple syrup.
How's the food, ma?
Super delicious. Especially the waffles with the maple syrup.
Abah order lagi ni, there's a cheeseburger. Right. You want it? We
also ordered onion ring.
So we are taking the lift. This is Carnaby Street. There's too many people out here.
I can't walk this far. It's big, dirty.
Right. Looking at the nearest train station. Okay sayang, you can go straight. Right, continue to walk this road. We are at turn right sayang. In all honesty, the tube is not stroller friendly, so you have to bring the smallest, lightest possible stroller ever, and this GP Pocket is the best that we could get. Three stops. Everything must be mommy. Where everything must be mommy? Where everything must be mommy? Everything must be mommy. Yeah. Everything must be mommy. Where everything must be mommy? One more. Everything is mommy. Everything is mommy.
Hi everyone. Now we are walking to our hotel. So just now we ride a cruise. So we take a fast train. After that, the second one is also a fast. Then we take the elevator to come here. So now it's evening already. So that's all. Bye. And we count 126 stairs. With Tok Mama. So see you in our hotel. Bye. Oh yeah. Oh. Hi everyone. Now we are near our hotel. We need to cross the road. After that, we can go in the hotel. So now we can go to the
Alright, we have arrived. We have arrived. See there? Ta-da!
Let's go to our hotel. Jom. Hi everyone. Now I already showered and now I'm so tired already. So I already eat my medicine. So see you tomorrow lah. Bye.